Today we have Motul, 100% synthetic motor oil. Now we'll be facing off against another tough competitor in Liqui Moly. Find out as we start off with a pour test. That's correct. Then we'll move on to an abrasion test and see how it protects the metal parts within inside your engine. As you can see, we have both containers labeled. This way we'll know just how much a particular oil wins by in this pour test. It's going to be a close one. After repeating this test twice, it would appear that Liqui Moly, the exact same results, a half an ounce faster. It's time for the abrasion test. Now, which one of these oils will protect your motor or engine against the tough environment? If you haven't saw how these videos have worked in the past, let me give you a quick run through and we'll go ahead and jump into our test. But we have a timer here. This timer will allow each oil the exact same amount of time. This way we have a fair test for our motor oils. Other videos will also use a sound meter to see which one can help you with some of those annoying sounds within your engine. We'll even go as far as to measure the scar. That's right, measure the scar of the bearing. This will apply weight to this arm, and this bearing be moving against this race as it spins very fast, and the only thing to protect it is the oil to lubricate and provide a layer of protection. Then we'll take the bearing out and we'll put it on a scale and weigh it to see just how well it's protecting your engine. Even an amperage meter, this will show the same amount of load that can be applied to your engine. And don't forget the temperature resistance test and our NOAC volatility test. Up first, Liqui Moly. We measure our oil. This way we have the exact same amount of oil being used for each part of the test. Now it's time for us to jump in and test Motul. Then we'll put them on the scale and show you what they weighed before and after. Well, you saw it. The amperage part of the test, or should I say load, Liqui Moly had 3.50 amps. Now, Motul had 3.52 amps. So, Liqui Moly came out on top as far as that goes. But, arguably, the most important part of your test is the abrasion test. Which one protects your engine? Because, unlike the load test, yes, that is good for fuel economy and power, but will it protect your engine? Now we're going to find out. Guys, please let me know what will improve our test. I'm continually trying to improve our videos. Now we have the weight before using these bearings in the test. 0.580 ounces. Now let's go ahead and weigh the bearing before using in the test. 0.580. It's finally time to weigh these bearings, and I'll show you guys the scars. Motul bearing 0.575. Now we'll weigh the next bearing for Liqui Moly. 0.579. It would appear that Liqui Moly has also won this part of the test. But let me show you guys the bearing. There's something really interesting. Motul to the left and Liqui Moly to the right. Now for some important information about our oil tournament. Thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.